Clear.
Hello. Yeah. हम एक मिनट में वापस कॉल करती हूँ. ओके बाय. I'm not going to enjoy this for the next hour.
Oh my god, I hate these recording stuff. I remember Janus and I.
Janvi and what?
Oh, Janvi. You met her?
Yeah,
Saka?
yeah.
Anyway. So we were recording this one time and then we were just gossiping and then that was all there in the video.
It's going to be there in the video
I
now.
know, that's annoying.
Oh, Tyagi. Arey, waste shot Tyagi. I know you're going to watch this.
That is exactly why I'm not going to tell you who we were talking about. But literally Janu and I, we were like, oh, that guy looks good only. But then it's good we didn't know names also.
Yeah.
Because I don't want them to hear and get validation from that, you know?
Fair enough. Tyagi, run.
Damn, I heard your last match with Tyagi is on 15th.
Yeah, dude. My last match is already over with him.
Huh?
My last match is already over.
Shit, you're not playing that day. You're going to be injured until then.
I technically can play, but I needed to heal it properly. You know, remember that injury I had before
Which
Aero?
injury? Right leg?
Left leg.
Why do you need left leg? Kick with your right leg.
I need left leg only. No, Norman, I need my right leg also. I know you're listening to this. So that injury I had before Aero, remember?
Yeah.
So that started to come back.
Amazing. You guys just really need super expensive doctors and like all that, I think.
Yeah, I went to an expensive doctor.
No, you need like Novak kind of doctors.
Oh, that'd be like
that is
insane.
genuinely impressive though. Like what 1 month after surgery,
know, right?
like bro, fuck him. Fuck that bitch. Oh my god, they are broken, I think.
That was like full-on collision. And she's being so nice. Little do these guys know that he's gonna body the fuck out of them.
Yeah, he's gay like that. God, I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, he is okay.
Why do you have to be recording? Now I can't tell you gossip. Fine, I just can't tell you here related gossip. I can still tell you other gossip. Oh, I was kind of angry with Agastya and I was quiet for like the last 40 minutes or something. Not 40, half an hour.
Wow.
That's why now it's like I just want to yap, you know. So like my yap is just coming out.
Lovely. Now, okay, second here.
How are your hands not hurting? My hands would hurt already.
Already? It's been 2 minutes 53 seconds.
That's why Agastya gets sad.
That's why I guess I get sad. Took me a minute.
Yup. No wonder.
Shit, let's go.
Wait, did we score?
Yeah. I know, it doesn't feel like we scored. Oh, what a finish. What a finish.
Pranav just scored?
Yeah.
I want Monu to score. That'd be so cool.
He'll score an own goal.
Yeah. It should be like 15-1, but that one should be Mono's.
Fair.
No, not 15. Maybe like 8-1. No, 10-1. Ooh,
Damn.
good. But me.
Hello. One sound. बोल. मैं कॉल करके बोलता हूँ. Okay?
How did it just like rain there?
It touched this thing, the net ऊपर.
I think I'd enjoy Monu being hit. Come on, Harshit, hit Monu again.
Harshit pulled a me.
Played shittily. It's so funny when people do
When people get what?
If you know someone like just gets hit.
That's just mean.
It's funny. So I'm sure they can take it. phone is that?
Mine.
That's disgusting.
What's wrong with you? Hello. हाँ बोल. क्या डिसाइड करे तुम लोग? क्या डिसाइड करे? हाँ. वही as a job. वही. But I can't. तुम ना डिसाइड करो. मैं गेम में हूँ. मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही गेम.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can laugh at that, right? That was funny.
Like something would stop you.
Oh yeah, it was the other team, no? Okay, they would have this
Yeah,
video, so
yeah,
it's alright.
Come on, Axe Canada.
Oh, you're not going to tennis classes in the morning every day?
Tennis classes before.
Yeah.
Have you played tennis before?
Oh, I went for like a month last year.
Hmm.
Hey, cool.
Then
Huh?
you're starting again now?
Yeah. I went for like 10 days, I think. And I play with little kids.
Okay.
Actually, no, there are adults too, I guess. Like my age.
Oh, the figures are adults now.
Yeah. Right?
Somebody says they're
I'm like
adults.
21. I'm like full on adult. I'm like at least half adult. How old are you? Like 19?
20.
You're 20?
How are you 21? Shouldn't you be 22?
No, I'm 21. 2003. Aren't you like 2 years younger than us?
I'm supposed to be, but I don't know why you are 21.
I think you're old. Like for your...
Just called me half adult.
No, but for your grade, for your batch.
No, I'm correct age. You're younger. You're like Harshit.
Harshit was younger than me, dumbass.
Damn. Oh, he's also he's 22.
Hmm?
Oh, he's 21.
He's
21.
March.
No.
I'm Feb. Yeah, he's 22nd March 2003. I am 12 Feb 2003. You are
You're
something
2003.
Feb
You guys are supposed to be
2004.
2002.
No. Wait, I know your birthday. It's either 16 or 18. 18. It was an 18, no?
Maybe.
I don't know. Even if I don't decide, it takes 2 seconds for me to like search. Because oh, I have that. It's an 18, no?
Yeah, smart. Damn.
I'm not cute. I just said, Mona, do you think he's hot? Is he gonna? Okay, sorry. No, I meant like he seems like a very respectable person, which he is. I think
Axe down the line, pass go on. Ooh, lovely.
I should start. I mean, it's like,
You can do this also.
I said it very slowly. I don't think iPhones are like that powerful.
You'll be surprised.
That's true.
Damn. Ooh, damn.
You like Barcelona, no?
I bleed Barcelona.
Damn.
Shoot. Oh, what a ball.
Ooh.
Let's go, Arnav. Let's go, Arnie.
Arnie. My cousin's name is Arnav.
I have a lot of Arnavs.
I only have that one load.
Typical Axe shots.
You thought.
Ooh,
Who would I talk about?
lovely.
Good work on the pass. I would.
Isn't that?
Is it? I think
No,
we
it's,
should
it's,
get
the,
it.
it's the wind.
We should get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some people ask me they're so flat, I feel bad for them.
Yeah. Nice. Wonderful.
Don't you think so? Like, it's just sad.
I think Ag's ass is fine. I think ass is fine.
Give me bigger. A little bit bigger. Not as big as Harsh's ass, though. That's a little too much now. And the way he plays with that ass like popping out, I'm like, oh.
What a ball, what a ball. Arey. Shoot, sorry.
Oh, now if I ask you your favorite to least favorite on this team, you're not gonna tell me, right? Huh?
Nice ball, Arey. Oh, damn, Monu. Damn. Oh, shit. Nice try, Harsh. Ags,
Tashi?
why can't you take a shot like that? Keep it low. Keep the shot low.
Is that guy's name Tashi? The dude.
Tashi, I think.
Tashi.
Or Hashi, I don't know. I didn't see the name.
Tashi Duncan.
Hashi's a sushi place.
That's Hashi.
It's
This
Tashi.
is Tashi.
Yeah.
Hashi.
Nice.
It's boring. Why is the ball just going out all the time? Why do they never score like 10 something when I come?
They'll score easily. What do you think?
It's only 2 now, no?
Come, see. Watch. See, Ashit. Arey, why? I hate you so much right now.
Tyagi has the most goals, man.
Yeah, I think I what? I think 120 or something now.
120.
He had 100. No, he ran more than 120.
And how many do you have? 5?
Oh, that's painful.
Less than that?
No.
10?
Okay, 20. 25.
Really? Actually, no, I feel like you just joined. I'm not trying to be like mean or anything.
I know. I don't take things to heart. Especially with girls, say.
Okay.
Okay, what do you want me to say? See, when you came, that was the first time I scored multiple goals. After that, it was just scoring. Like I scored 5, I think, the next game.
Damn, bro, nice.
I think I scored like.
Damn, where did you find the shitty opponents that you could score 5?
Whoa, damn! I like it. This is amazing videography. Okay, next Harshit is gonna score, I feel.
I feel like this Spartak guy is gonna
Wow. Oh shit, I forgot to. Can you move the camera, bro? Because I'm watching the game.
See, you know how you should like watch it through the phone, so you.
Yeah,
watch
I do it, but sometimes when I'm like, I prefer reals.
Obviously.
Yeah. Monu, why are you playing so well? Harshit! Ah! Nice one, Monu. I mean, I have to support Monu also. He's part of my team.
Yeah, so I was like, see, 1 goal for him, and then you guys can win. I think Monu is just like, oh, if I play super well, maybe, life is chance. That's all I want.
Get the ball out! Hey, पीछे Somebody act!
Controls. They shoot. Pass. Nice try.
You know, you should get like a stud.
I should get a stud. I should get a stud.
Like your thing.
Yeah, I know what a stud is.
Or a ring. No, a starter.
No, that would look gay.
No. I've been asking Agastya to get one.
Ah, what?
I've been asking Agastya to get one. But it's also Agastya.
Yeah, and
I feel like he's already like I don't know. I don't know if it would suit him, okay? Like, it wouldn't suit Harshit either.
Good save, good save.
It
I
would
like
definitely not suit Harshit either.
Shoot, Ben, shoot. Oh, what a finish. Finish.
Who scored?
I love.
Zero.
Yeah, clearly.
No, if
Harshit's a
Harshit
bit of shit.
gets, he legit look like a lesbian, not gay. You know?
What?
Those middle-aged lesbians with that hair and, you know, he looked like that if he gets. But
Oh, you just painted a very weird picture in my head. Shoot,
now you
Ben.
get it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
Like,
I
you
get
get
it.
that.
I do get it.
You can picture
Get
it.
it.
Mono would look good with one, I'm sure. But like, he needs to change his whole self for that now. His personality.
Please shoot. Why is he taking so much time? He's tired.
Who's tired?
I don't know.
Already?
I don't know. I think I saw him panting.
You guys, Saman's that bad, huh?
No, he has the best time.
Really?
He barely subs though. Hush, nice. Ooh, nice try, nice try.
I thought that guy would score next and he was the closest to scoring. And then,
What? You said Mono would score.
I want Mono to score. Do I see it happening?
Okay, what's your final score prediction?
7-0.
What?
7-0.
What a try. Nice try, nice try.
How much more time is there?
40 minutes.
17 minutes.
Dude, I'm telling you, it'll at least be 16 nil.
Really? Are these people that bad?
I think they're very good. Just finishing has to get better. And you could get more chances.
And if
Nice, nice, nice.
Tyagi leaves, Neoshat is still going to be a thing, right? Obviously.
Why would you think
You
otherwise?
got to step up from
Nice try. Oh, Monu. Damn.
What do you guys do, like, if it touches the hand now? Do you take a penalty or whatever thingy?
And now, is it?
Like in these matches?
If it's in the box, yeah, dude. Hand is a hand in the box. Cannot see. Wow. I don't know what Bo is trying. Please, nice. The way Harshit runs back after he scores, it's like every time. Nice try.
Must be satisfying to score.
Oh, it's the best feeling in the world, bro.
So many A's in the team.
And it's raining. Okay, it's not. I can see you.
You know the song Raining Tacos?
No.
Really? You don't?
Please. Ready? Come on, Tyagi.
You don't know that song, Raining Tacos. It's so bad.
Okay, Harshit is tired.
Go play instead of him. Go
Yeah,
play
right.
instead of him.
Very tempting, but no. Shoot. Nice try.
There's nothing right now. So they're like, come on, everyone should play well and you get win by a lead.
What is win by lead? But that's not what Arman.
Yeah.
It's not what decides if Arman is etc. Nice. Trust your shot more.
No, all of them are coming, going back. Piche, I'm taking your time.
No, you're doubting yourself. Ooh, nice try. The keeper's also shit, just challenging.
Cover the ball, Pranav.
Damn.
On you, on you, on you. Move up.
Lovely plans.
Ooh, nice. France, come quicker. Nice Monu. The team who was playing before us, no, the BIP team. I took their number and I messaged you, okay?
Man on.
Fair play.
What happened?
Tia.
Mono specs right now.
Yeah.
There are people with glasses.
Took me a second.
Okay, that was too close. Damn.
It almost took you.
Not really. I would have liked it though. Except I think
Man on.
it's wet and dirty.
Quicker.
It's fine.
Is it tough to control?
Yeah, the water. Excuse me. Come back now. Come back. That's yours. Lovely
Nice,
prize.
sorry. Ready?
Aman. If you need me.
Pretty tired.
My legs are getting sore.
Ari, act.
Come on, Alex, you got this. Nice touch. Nice try. Then they're not talking.
Huh?
They're not talking. It's very silent.
Yeah, you're boring. You like just. Oh. Why can't you just keep it? Okay, you can't keep it somewhere.
Like this.
No, like in general, just like keep it on the ground somewhere. But then
We
I
generally
realized.
do that. Harshit has a tripod,
Oh,
but he's like,
this is better.
yeah. Ooh, nice one, Harsh. That was so sweet.
You know, I would have enjoyed
Nice.
shoving it in your face that Djokovic lost in third round, but Alcaraz lost in second, so can't even, you know.
Yeah, I'm surprised you haven't brought it up yet.
Yeah, that is why I did not. But like, I think both of them had a good
Alcaraz
year.
hasn't been the same after the Wimbledon final. After winning it,
No,
He
after
hasn't been
losing in Olympics, he hasn't been the same.
he lost the Olympics because of it.
No, I think he played well.
Same thing.
No, I think he played well though, actually.
No.
I did not see it actually.
If he actually played well, he would have destroyed Djokovic.
I guess.
Think about it.
True.
Djokovic didn't win those many points as much as Alcaraz did him. Ask your specs.
You have to wait. One second.
True, but I'm glad. Djokovic deserves it.
Even the haters knew that he deserved it.
Yeah. But this Alcaraz, I feel like he's just so good sometimes, and then he just is like.
I know, right?
shit.
It's surprising how, you know, when you see him win those matches where he dominates so much, you're like, how do you beat this guy? And suddenly he
Yeah.
pulls a average performance and like, oh, okay.
Man, this is where the big three are the big three.
I know, right? Like Alcaraz in the big three era would be nowhere close to what he is now, as in the titles and all.
Obviously. I mean, yeah, man. Even last year he won Wimbledon, and then he barely won anything since like forever. And he won after Wimbledon. He's just like losing in third round, second round. You
Why
see
you
him
can't recognize
smashing
him?
that racket.
So
Fucking
satisfying.
idiot.
So satisfying.
No, not satisfied.
Just love to see him losing it.
Please, Papam.
What Papam? He thinks he's like, no. Nice try.
Honestly, I thought Djokovic is like, okay, he's not like the best right now. Maybe top 10 would be difficult for him. I thought he could beat other people, you know.
Oh, this Popperin dude, man.
Yeah,
he
he
played
played
him
well.
3 times this year.
Oh.
I knew Popperin was always going to be a threat.
Yeah, and he won also this
Yeah.
last Masters 1000.
Sara.
It's okay, at least the girl I like is still playing.
Iga.
No,
Then
Sabalenka.
Sabalenka. Right.
I love her.
She's dominating, dude.
I love her so much.
Ah.
That's why this year so far has been nice for me because she won Australian Open and then, you know, Alcaraz won the other 2 Grand Slams.
Yeah.
It's like something to look forward to. Now,
Fair enough, fair
just a minute.
Dude, if Sinner doesn't win now, it'll be a disgrace.
Bro, yeah, literally.
What do you think about his doping situation?
I don't know, man. I feel like I'm not educated enough in that topic. But also, I thought that it's like a billionth of a gram.
Less than a billionth of a
But
gram.
also, you're the number 1 player. You can't make excuses.
Exactly. I mean, I see. Even I don't know what to think about this.
Yeah, but whatever, you can't blame other people for it.
But I think if it was Djokovic, they would have banned
People
him.
would be like,
They would have banned
exactly.
him. They would have
Yeah,
stripped
like-
everything. Jara, do you go?
Bro, I was getting late anyways.
What?
Yeah, I was gonna come for only 15-20.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So we'll go back.
Take care, bro. I'll see you Wednesday. Yeah.
I feel like he got more hated also.
Exactly.
So, see,
Like from the public.
Djokovic would be the most hated if this
Djokovic
happened.
would have been
But even
killed.
Alcaraz would have been hated enough, I feel.
Not really.
No, he would
It's okay, nice try. People love Alcaraz. What the hell?
They do, but still, you know, all these Novak fans at least hate Alcaraz. They don't hate Sinner as much as they hate
Yeah,
Alcaraz.
that's true.
Because it's like Sinner never beat him in a final.
Almost harsh. Mono.
Did you see Sinner's girlfriend?
No.
She's so hot.
Yeah.
She's on the terrace. She was playing doubles with Dimenor's girlfriend.
Oh, I know Sinner's girl. Yeah.
She's so hot.
Yeah. Nice ball. Nice ball, Harshit. Nice try, Pranav.
How's college? I miss college. I had
Yeah.
something to do then.
What are you doing now?
Nothing.
Yeah?
Yeah, literally nothing. I'm just in Guntur. I'm sleeping all day.
What are your plans?
Nothing. Don't ask.
What? Seriously?
Yeah.
I want.
Get free, boys.
Okay. Oh God.
Watch Mono, watch Mono.
I'm throwing again. It's okay.
Told me everything. Went on a date also yesterday.
Did you see her? Did you see her?
Yeah.
She's so cute, man.
Oh, nice.
Okay, I can't score with it.
You can do that.
Okay.
We'll have a proper conversation. It's so quiet, dude. I don't like it.
What do you mean?
You're not talking enough.
I can.
I don't know why though.
I'm not saying anything.
He only says after the match. Silly excess. Last week he lost shit.
I felt you guys played well then.
He apologized though. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I don't think he should have apologized.
Huh?
He feels how he feels and he has the right to yell at us.
Yeah.
See, it's only because he's yelled at us all these times that we've come so far. You know?
True. I heard he's an author. Is he an author? I heard that.
He likes writing, but I don't know. I think he's an author.
Oh,
It's one of those things he's wanted to do, but he hasn't.
yeah.
But I'm sure he writes something.
Nice.
I don't know if he's. Ooh, come on, come on, come on! How the fuck did we score that?
What was the score?
I think 4, 5, 6 nil.
This is why I never remember. Come on.
Yeah. Hey, what's going on with Liverpool? Forgot about Liverpool. Ooh, let's go! Let's go!
They're winning against.
Harsh, fuck you, Harsh, we're winning!
You support Liverpool?
2-0. 2-0. The fuck is wrong?
Against United.
Yeah, fuck, I didn't know. Shit. Nubre. Bro, why is this my phone?
So, Kash, who did you want to stop now? Donna's hot.
Vanessa Ray.
Who's Vanessa?
Jenny. She was cute.
She seems like your type, actually.
I guess. But this score? 2-0.
Did
I
you
just
just
saw
start
notification.
watching it?
I didn't watch it. I'm not watching it.
It's a nice.
Oh, Susan, no, I finished it.
Oh, then.
I'm just rewatching the first season. It's a lot of fun. Time pass. Something to do with while exams are going on.
Nice. Makes sense. Do you like Mike or Harvey?
I like both, dude. I love both.
Oh my god, but who do you like better?
It's a very tough question.
It's not Harvey, it's just not like Harvey. Definitely.
I wouldn't idolize Harvey, but I love him. Like,
No,
I wouldn't-
sometimes you should idolize these people who are like that. It's just,
Me, I
it's just
wouldn't-
hot.
No, that makes no sense.
Obviously, Mike is a better person than Harvey is.
Yeah.
But
Nice. Good thinking.
damn, there were like no people. Why were there no people there?
Because they're trying to get the sweeper keeper.
Uh-huh.
What touch?
Is the keeper like not the keeper anymore?
Come on. Nice.
The keeper changed now.
They changed keeper. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, I have it out. I have it out. I keep forgetting these stuff. I feel like I've asked, but I just forgot. So, if the ball completely comes out, then it's like out of play or whatever. Even if a little bit of it is on the line,
Yeah.
you can still play.
Like if this is a ball, it's in play.
Oh. But then for the goal, it has to completely inside,
Same thing.
no?
Same thing. In
Okay.
football, everything is completely crossed.
Nice.
There have been
So
this.
on the
this
line means nothing.
Yeah, this much of distance has decided the league titles and all.
Damn.
2019, Liverpool and Man City.
Papa.
Yeah. By 1 point.
I like
Liverpool
Man
lost the
City.
league. Shut up.
Oh, why? But like, Grealish.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. So did Liverpool score? Nice try.
Oh yeah, I saw you struggling to type that because like with one hand or whatever.
I hate
But
typing with one hand.
But I was like, I'm not gonna offer.
Luis Diaz, the goat.
Who's Diaz?
Luis Diaz, he's a goat. Just put the game.
Arre, wait. She's cute.
It was 2 years ago, okay.
She's still cute, I'm sure. Where should I keep the game?
No.
Prime? Hotstar? Where? What? This? What? Okay. Where does La Liga come in?
La Liga, it used to be streamed on Geo Cinema. Now it's some
Amazing.
website called GRX. It's also an app, I think. It's free.
Lucky.
Did you put it?
Yeah.
Why is the internet so bad?
I don't know, man.
So actually,
That would have been so fun.
yeah, I do it.
Okay, it's like, why? Why do you want to try?
But why? The internet should be good.
Can I go through your phone?
No, I don't have nothing to hide.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh,
Your screen time was 10 hours.
is it?
Instagram for 3 hours. Safari for 2.5. What?
No, dude. Arey, I'm studying on my phone.
Oh, so you do study a lot. 3 hours is quite a bit, man.
Yeah, I use Instagram a lot.
Clearly.
Especially during exams because I
No,
should.
I'm going to your Instagram. But like, oh, I'm going to your actual Instagram though. But like, I'm not gonna read your.
What happened?
What is this? What do you mean? What is this? Like,
I don't use Explore Page.
That's nice.
Arey, it's going to ruin this thing, dude.
What do you what thing?
I don't know, some suggestions will pop up.
It's already horrible. Oh, cutie outcast.
Shall we?
He's so cute.
Crybaby. You're not a crybaby. He's a very sweet guy, but
Thank you.
Fucking
He is
like
sweet. So sweet. And I can like the chocolates were in like 2 straight sets, man. Like, oh.
nice.
He looks so like not like a guy cute, but he looked so cute here when he was a kid. He was like a
You
cute
can just open it,
kid.
right?
It's
Oh, it's a thumbnail.
yeah.
Nice! See, Harshit, I told you, trust your shot. Pull the trigger, you'll get the goals. Ooh, that was sweet.
Uh,
Who's that? Wow. You can zoom, you know. You like, should I zoom out? Okay, never mind. Dumbass. What?
Hanuman kind.
Please shoot, don't. Nice! Dude, I should have played this game in Stat Padded Pro.
Oh my god, don't tell me it's 2.5 hours of this. Football. Okay, that's not football. Football. This is whatever this is.
What's your feel?
I don't know, better than your feel. I do actually get a bit of football stuff though.
Because of ads?
Yeah. I send him, so it's like now I get them too. I don't know why I send him because he's probably seen it anyways.
Shoot, Harshit. Oh, but Moon is trying so hard. Yeah,
He wrote that in like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah? Oh, wait. I don't believe it, you know?
Same. I feel like all these people just say that.
Yeah.
Maybe like the outline or whatever you did in 20, but you can't like
Yeah, exactly.
write the
yeah.
whole thing.
Eminem also said something like he wrote rap the quick part of Rap God in like something like 20 minutes only, something like that, half an hour.
Yeah, man. It's like, you know, I was supposed
Damn,
to.
Harsh! Damn!
I was supposed to go to Hanuman kind thing
Hanuman can what?
concert.
Really? When was
Not
it?
this is like before he was famous, I
Okay,
guess.
okay.
You know, like before he was big dog famous.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then we were late.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kenny Sebastian was so much fun, eh? That day.
Yeah, man, it was fun. I wasn't the most
like-
comfortable. But it was fun.
I told you I'd sit on him because it was sad, hopefully. See, nothing could have upset me that day because of Djokovic's win
Because
of the Olympic win.
uh,
See, I was on top of the world, bro. Like, nothing could ruin my mood.
I was sad.
Yeah, right.
Actually, it was like it's mixed, you know.
Yeah, I know.
It was like this is Djokovic's last chance. He
Yeah.
never. I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
Let's go on again. Damn.
Any cute juniors? Oh god, you shouldn't be looking at juniors. I feel like half of them are probably not even 18 yet, you know.
Because they're 18. What's wrong with you?
I wasn't 18 when I came to college. No, I mean if I came in first year, I wouldn't have been 18 when I came.
But you're supposed to be 18, so you're 1 year younger than you're supposed to be.
No.
Yeah, that's how it works,
It's like
you
you
dumbass.
turn 18 during
No,
the first year.
No. You turn 18 once you're done with it.
No. One of my cousins were going to college like this year and not 18 yet.
Should I go outside and get it?
Did we like move? Did we like move from there to here?
Yeah, because of the ball over there. So I'm doing a lot of physio too.
That's funny. Like guy's just like smiling, the goalkeeper. Are they just changing goalkeepers just like... Wait, but if you find a good goalkeeper, you wanna like get a new one, no?
Is it?
Like a goalkeeper.
I don't know. Depends on Arman. He told Vansh that no matter who we see, no matter who wants to join, he won't get a new keeper.
Vansh is the...
He told Vansh
He was
because
the-
he wants Vansh to improve and all.
Oh. But like, how will he improve if you don't let him
Nice
play?
try, nice try. No, he said that for Vansh, so that Vansh is not like if Vansh doesn't. You don't understand.
Okay. But like, Vansh is that dude who has like longer hair. I knew him before I knew you, I think. Like, I mean,
Vansh is part of the team. So he's like, so Vansh went back to Manipal. He assured Vansh that if we get another keeper, he'll never be part of the team. So you don't have to be scared of the coach. You just have to improve. That's what he meant.
nice.
That really helped that assurance. You have a phone? Check score. तूने लो. तूने लो.
I don't know. It's just that probably still is that.
आता है. Dude, I'm not doing such a bad job recording.
Why?
Damn!
I think it's pretty fine.
Huh?
I think it's pretty fine. The ball is like always visible, right?
Yeah, no, sometimes I'm forgetting to move the phone.
Fine. Sometimes when you don't want... Okay, I don't think you like don't wanna... Sometimes if you don't want to do something, just don't do it well. They won't ask you to do it again.
Yeah, I figured. Damn, Harsh! Woo!
Their team is 0, right?
Team is 0. Did you say 0? Yeah.
Yeah. How did 0 sound like something else? Like 1 or something?
No, I didn't know if you meant if the score is 0.
What?
I didn't know if you meant that if the score is 0.
Forty-five వచ్చింది మా గ్రౌండ్.
Oh, the really have to leave in like 5 minutes? These people.
I think the score is something like 15, right? I think so. Yeah. Ags? What's the score?
He never does like no. It seems fun. Huh?
Okay, it's like bad. Nice, Ags. Nice try. It's okay.
That means 45 minutes.
45 minutes what? No. 20 minutes max. Actually, it depends. Ooh. So, what are your plans? You didn't tell me about Masters.
I don't have any plans. I'm just like chilling and like doing nothing.
Masters, nothing, job, nothing.
Let's see. I don't mind getting married.
You're getting married?
I don't mind.
What? Seriously? Damn, bro.
Not to marry. He doesn't want to marry now.
Ah, come on. Nice pass, Ags. Nice try, nice try. How's my haircut?
You got a haircut? Looks nice. I feel like your hair, I don't think I've ever seen it being horrible.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think my hair always looks horrible.
Really? Maybe you just have high expectations for yourself and I don't, so...
Oh, I don't know how to take that.
No,
but
because
okay.
have you seen Mono's hair?
Yeah.
That's
Mono's-
always horrible.
Mono's hair is awesome. What's wrong with you?
Are you kidding?
Not always, but like,
Are you joking?
he sounded like Mehak. Serious.
Really?
Joking.
Does she say that?
No, not just the word, but the way she said.
I like it when people fall. It's just funny.
Clearly. You're a sadist.
I saw a baby falling the other day. It was the cutest thing ever.
I almost thought you were gonna say it was funny.
You know, like this baby, okay, she was just walking,
Yeah.
like normally, straight.
Okay.
And then she just fell.
Okay.
She didn't get hurt.
Wow. Okay, that's good. Okay.
Is it like a time up sign?